Bible verse, Memorization Challenge, Day 275. Omega Did You Bible verse of the day. Psalms 107:1 in King James Version. Oh, give thanks unto the Lord, for He is good, for His mercy endureth forever. Psalms 107:1. Thanks be to God po. Share the love. Good day. Good job. Perfect. Stand by. 3, 2, 1, action. Bible verse, Memorization Challenge, Day 275. Omega Did You Bible verse of the day. Psalms 107:1. In Pisin version, or in Papua New Guinea language, or Psalm 107:1. O givim tenkyu BIKPELA, wanem gutpela, wanem sori bilong stap strong yet, oltaim. Or Psalm 107:1. And in Tagalog version, Awit 107:1. O mangagpasalamat kayo sa Panginoon, sapagkat siya'y mabuti, sapagkat ang kanyang kagandahang-loob ay magpakailanman. Awit 107:1. King Jems, Pisin, Bible. Talk thank you, igulong God. Salamat po sa Diyos. Thanks be to God. Share the love. Good day. Good job. Perfect.